Have you ever rushed out of the house, skipped breakfast, and thought, I'll just eat later? Well, what if I told you that skipping that one meal could be the reason you're always tired, moody, or even struggling with your weight? Stick with me because by the end of this video, you might never look at breakfast the same way again. Sarah is 25 years old. She is always in a rush to get to work, and she swears skipping breakfast saves her time and even helps her lose weight. But here's the thing, by mid-morning she's drained, snapping at her co-workers and craving something sweet. And guess what? She usually grabs a soda and some fries. Sounds familiar? Maybe been at Sarah at some point in your life. Hi, I'm Obed, your YouTube nurse, who makes medical concepts super easy to understand so you can actually use them in your daily life. If you love content that keeps you informed about your health in the simplest way, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Most people think skipping breakfast is no big deal. It's just funny, right? In fact, some even think it's healthier because you're eating fewer calories. But your body doesn't see it that way. When you skip breakfast, your blood sugar levels drop, your brain doesn't get the quick energy it needs, and your body goes into what I call survival mode. That's why you feel tired, sluggish, and unfocused. In the short term, skipping breakfast can leave you with headaches, irritability, and that dreaded 10 a.m. crash where you can't focus on anything. Ever wondered why you're sitting at your desk yawning like it's 3 a.m.? Skipping breakfast is a big culprit. But here's where it gets scarier. Long-term studies show that people who regularly skip breakfast have a higher risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even heart disease. Why? Because your body starts craving high calories, sugary foods later in all the day. So instead of saving calories, you end up overeating junk. And your metabolism slows down. Your body literally thinks food is scarce and holds onto fat. So the idea that skipping breakfast automatically makes you slimmer, that's a big myth. Let's bust the myth right now. Skipping breakfast does not guarantee fewer calories. In fact, many people who skip end up eating more overall because their hunger hormones, especially ghrelin, shoots through the roof. That's why Sarah always grabbed that soda and fries. Her body was craving for energy and she ended up eating more calories than if she had just had a balanced diet. So, what does a healthy breakfast look like? Here is the secret. It doesn't have to be fancy or complicated at all. Just think protein and fiber and a bit of healthy fat. Examples: a bowl of oats with banana and peanut butter, eggs with whole grain toast and avocado, or even Greek yogurt with some fruits and nuts. This kind of breakfast helps you fuel your brain, stabilize your blood sugar, and keep you full until lunch. And no, I'm not saying you need a hotel-style buffet or morning. Even a 5-minute prep can change your whole day. Remember Sarah? She decided to start small. Instead of skipping breakfast, she made overnight oats the night before. Guess what happened? She felt more focused at work, stopped snapping at her colleagues, and wasn't running to the vending machine by 10 a.m. And the best part, she didn't gain weight. In fact, she managed it better because her cravings went down. So now, let me ask you, are you the type who never misses breakfast, or are you more of the skip it and hope for the best? Drop your answer in the comments below because I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend who always skips breakfast, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy to understand health tips.